Hello, this is Mr. Agbamu Eternal Grenade. I'm here to show you how you can do a simple applet using the Geogebra software. Let me just demonstrate something here for you to see. Okay, this is my Geogebra. Let me open it first. Okay. Alright, so this is my Geogebra. Let me take, for example, you want to teach circle geometry. So assume your subject is circle geometry and you want to prepare your applet that you use to demonstrate to your children. So this one is, you can start with the theorems as they go on. Let's assume I want to start with the angle subtended by an arc at the center of a circle is going to be twice the one at the circumference. So in that case, I don't need all these axes. I don't need all this graph sheet. All I just need to do is to right click, hide your axis, you right click, remove your grid, no grid. So I just need a plain sheet. So you start, get your circle. So you can take a simple circle. Let me take this one, circle with radius. Click anywhere on the screen, tell you to put your radius. You can use the keyboard. Let me use radius 3. Alright, so that is it. You can see the circle center is labeled as A, while the circle itself is labeled as C. When you come to this algebra sign, you will see them. If I click on this, the circle will disappear. If I click on this, A will disappear. So this one is to show or to hide automatically. If you click on it, the center A will appear. If you click on it, the name of the circle C will appear. But I don't need the name of this circle. You can click on it, come to this place. You can do some editing, tick the line, the kind of line you need. You can put different colors depending on what you want. Let's say you want the color to be red, click on red. Want it to be blue, just like that. Want it to be green, want it to be black. Then you can change the thickness. See? So depending on what you want, let me leave it at 5. Then the name, if you don't want the name of this C to show, you come here, click on hidden, just like that. Then if you want the value to show, that you are talking of equation of the circle. This is the equation of the circle. You can also use it to teach equation of a circle. So there are so many things Geogebra can do for you. Until you explore it, that's when you will know what it can do. So, but I don't want the name C to show, so just hide it. Then this is the center. I want the center to be labeled as O, so just rename it. You right click, you put O as the center, and that is all. So this is the center of your circle. Then the theory you want to demonstrate to your children, you want them to see it after you have stated it on the board for them, after you have done the analytical derivation, you prove the theory for them. You want to show them so that to be fast for them, because you tell them to start constructing it with their compass, and therefore you know your 40-minute period in your math class will be over. So Geogebra will make it easy for them to understand. Just get your segment from the center to the circumference. See, then from the center to the circumference. So the name of the segment is shown. This is F, this is G. You can also, but make sure when you are through with whatever point you are doing, when you are through with whatever operation you are doing, make sure you click on move. If you didn't click on move, it will not end there. You can see the operation segment is still active. You can see it's still active. So anyway, I click on the screen. Okay, I've already clicked on move now. So segment will still be active until you click on it. Then we say the angle subtended at the center. So this is the center of the circle. It's 2 times the one at the circumference. So click A, go to the circumference, then click on C, go to this. So this is the theorem you want to demonstrate to them. Then I don't want all these lines name to show. That is all this one. If you click on it, the full line will disappear. But this is not what I want. All I want is to hide it. You can either right click the line, click show label, or you click on it, come to this place, you see more setting you can do. Click on hidden, click on G, click on hidden, click on F, click on hidden. All we need is the point. You can see very quick and fast. You have put your point. Okay. So I want to position my point C. Why is it not moving it? Why is point C not moving? Okay. You can see I'm moving point B. I'm moving point A. I want to move point C, but it's not moving. Okay, let me leave it. Alright, let me leave that. But this is point C. Okay. Now, just to demonstrate it to your children, you can first of all get the angular center. You see, I want to get the label of the angular center. So just click on this. It's angle I need. So angle A, BO, A. See? Then angle A, C, B. So that is all. I don't want the name of the angle to appear. They label it alpha, they label this one beta. I only want the angle to appear. So just click on it, come here, click on value alone. I don't want the name. Click on it, you come here, click on the value alone. So that is all I want. For example, if you want the reflex angle of 54.54, you click on this. See, click on this. Okay, this is for 0 to 180. Is this one I'll click on. So it's showing me the reflex angle. You can see it, but that's not what I want. I want the one here, not the reflex. So 0 to 180. So that is that. So all those are some things you can do. You can play with all these various options. Click, right click, you see so many things it can tell you to do. Then click on whatever you want to play with, come to this side, then do some settings, even the size of the line, the thickness, the kind of line you want, just like that, the colors, and so on. So now you have already done it. So this is your angle at center. You see it, and when you multiply it by 2, it will give you the one on the angle at the circumference. When you multiply it by 2, it will give you the angle at the center. So you can start multiplying it. You can even use your Geogebra to check it. But before I'll do that, let me just show you something. Let me put my text. You can just click on this text, click anywhere you want it to be on the screen, then type it. I can say angle at center, angle at center equals to, then come to this place, advance, come to the Geogebra symbol here. You look for the one at the center is alpha now. So click on alpha, see it will appear there. Okay, so that is this angle at center. Then you can say angle at circumference, angle at circumference equals to, let's say you want it to show on the screen, not just on the diagram alone. Okay, see it will appear here. Then say you want to do the multiplication of those two angles, you can do something like this. Let me just put it here. Alpha, okay, this alpha, I want to multiply it by, okay, let me cancel this. Before I do that, let me do the solution of alpha and beta somewhere here. So just click on your input here. Okay, so alpha, find on the keyboard, this is for Greek letter now, so this is alpha. I want alpha to multiply alpha times, sorry, that is alpha is equals to 2 times beta, or I'll say beta is equals to 2 times alpha. So let me go back. Okay, it's hidden under, you can't see it. Let me put it again. It's under there, the keyboard is blocking it. So I have, let me put my 2 times beta, that's what I want to do. 2 times beta. It's my beta symbol here. Alpha, beta. Okay, see my beta. Okay, 2 times beta. Just click your enter. So you can see it. So gamma is equals to 2 times beta here. Alright. So this is what I want to show you. So you can see it that this is the angle at the center now. It's giving us this. So if I want to demonstrate it here, get your letter. So I said alpha now, which is angle at center. Okay, that is angle at center. So angle at center is okay, let me just put it, said is equals to 2 times, so 2 times angle at circumference. And if I move down, let me move down a little. What this one means, so angle at center is my alpha. So let's find it in this place. The angle at center is alpha. Okay, and it's going to be equals to 2 times angle at, so angle at circumference, which is in beta. Okay, and this one, the result is given as a gamma. So gamma is shown here, you can see it, and this one is going to be equals to, it's going to be equals to gamma. So just click on the gamma there. Okay, so this is all I want to achieve, so you can see it here. Then click on move. Okay, so you can position this wherever you want to position them. You can even close it. I think I've done all the necessary thing I need. You can close this. So click on your screen and drag. You can actually lock all these things. For example, I don't want this to move when client. You see, I can lock objects. So, oh sorry, it's pinning. I need to pin to screen. So when you pin to, when you click and drag, you see this one is not moving. It's only the circle and this that is moving because I've not actually pinned it. So you can actually pin it. Not locking is to pin. Okay, so I'm unpinning. So all I need to do is to position this where I want it to be. So the next thing is to, I can make it bigger than this. Just click on it, come here, do some editing. You can see it. I want it to be, let's say, medium. Okay, let me use large. Okay, then let me use large too. Okay, so that your students, you can show them, project it in the class. Okay, then this, let me see how large we go. Okay, yeah, so you can keep this. You can also zoom if you wish, but let me zoom back. Okay, so this is the demonstration we're talking about. So we say, so I've done this an applet already. So this is a simple applet. So say angle at center. So this is the angle at center. 109.09 is equal to 2 times angle at the circumference. This is the theorem you want your children to understand. So you have place it on the screen here. So you can see, just position it here. You can start doing your demonstration. All I need to do is to change this. So when C changes position, when C changes position, it won't change because the angle at center remains the same. See, wherever C is going to be on the circumference, as long as the angle subtended at the center here is 109.09 and C is at the circumference, it will not change. The theory remains the same. You can see it as long as they are facing the same, they subtended by this arc, they are always facing the same direction. That's it. So if this place must change, that means I need to change this place. See, now that, let me be moving it gradually so that you can see. That's why we call it a dynamic software. Now I've changed my angle at center. See, as I'm changing it, you can see that other values are being changed, and you can check it with your calculator. You'll see that it's giving you the same answer. So let me move it. Let me move it to have a whole number so that we see what we are. Let me see if I can get a whole number. Okay, for example, I have this. So when angle at center is 82, see, the one at circumference will be 41. So the angle that is subtended by the arc at the center is going to be 2 times the one at the circumference. So if center is 82, so 2 times 41, you see, is going to give you 82. And no matter where C move to, you see now, it will not change. It will remain the same as long as both of them at the center subtend this. So that is this. You can see. So this is a simple applet now I've done to demonstrate this simple theorem of circle geometry. You can see. So this is what I just wish to do. You can do your own in any form. Just play with all these icons here. Do it the way you want to manipulate it. Move this the way you want. See, just move it. Play with it the way you want. You will get the same result, and your children will follow you very well. So this is all I have for us in this video. And if you want to see more resources on this, you can go to the Geogebra software. Sorry, the Geogebra site. You can get more results. Let me just go there and show you what you can do. You need to on your internet. Let's say you need to get more resources to add to this so that you can demonstrate to your children. Just go to your internet. I've connected now. So it's connected now. Okay. Then open your browser. Alright. Now this is my Geogebra. Let me just click on it. I've already signed in. I have everything I need. So this is my own page. So this is my Geogebra page. Then I need circle geometry. All I just need to do is to type it in this search place. Just say circle. Okay, I've done circle properties before, but I've not done circle geometry. So let's say circle geometry. Then enter. You see resources will come out. You see them. So many. This one is a book. So I don't need book. What I need is an activity. So it depends on the theory you are looking for. I think this is the theory I just demonstrated in the other place. Let's click this. Yeah, this is the theory I just demonstrated. So this is what somebody did somewhere. So angle at circumference. See, he did it by putting a checkbox. Angle at center. So these are resources you get online. You move it. See, when you move point D, see, this one has been set to a whole number, just like that. There are so many settings you can do. Then if you like this activity to use it in your class, you follow the step. You come here. I've told you, you copy first. After copy, no need of saving. Just go to download. Then you download. it will now appear on this side of your download. Okay, before you appear, you need to agree. Click on this, then click this. Make sure it's a GGB app. When you click on it, you will see it to come out here. So you can now off your data. You have seen what you want. Close it, open it, or show it in the folder file. But let me just open it directly. Then it will come up. So depend on the activity you want, you search for it and you get it easily there and you use it. So it's coming up now. So now I'm not working with internet. Now I've already disconnected. I'm not working with internet. So let me close this now. So see the activity. See, I just got it from the Geogebra's website. See it. Then you can also use it to teach your children, just like that. You can add whatever you want. You can do your own write-up. See, add text. You can do whatever. You can add slider. Whatever you want to do, you can add it. Put your own write-ups. That is the beauty of Geogebra. Someone have done this. As you can add your own this to whatever you want. Angular center. See, angular circumference. So this is a simple way you can do a simple applet. So I just demonstrated this one on circle geometry. Angle subtended at the center is going to be equal to 2 times angle subtended in the circumference. So that is it. So you can watch it and practice it. So before I go, let me show you, in case I want this number to be whole number, all I need to do, I will go to my setting. Okay, setting. So you can see it now. I want it to be whole number. It's a rounding 2 decimal places, but I don't want that. I want 0 decimal places. So you can see, so this is 0 decimal places. So 2 times 43 is 86, just like that. So in this case, I don't need to be changing this. So 2 times 35, you see 70, angular center, just like that. 2 times 49, 2 times 50, 100, just like that. So this is what the other one did in the internet and the other time, just like that. So you can do it, demonstrate to your children, let them see it, and just like that. Other theorems, you can also get them here and you are good to go. So thank you for watching. You have a nice day.